Hello there. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video, and on this specific training, I want to talk to you about how you can add the power of PhoneBurner to your outreach system. If you're like most people, you've got a bunch of call tasks that you need to complete and you want to get those done as quickly as possible. And that's where PhoneBurner can step in and help you make those calls 3 to 4 times faster than you're doing them now. But how do you install the app into Outreach? It's very easy. You just click on the settings gear in the lower left-hand corner of your Outreach. Of course, you do have to be an admin to install the app. And from the settings, we're going to scroll down to the Apps section under Integrations, and we're going to click on Install New Apps. That's going to take us to the Outreach Marketplace, where we can just do a quick little search to find the PhoneBurner app. Once we've selected the PhoneBurner app, we'll see this option to install the app. Let's go ahead and do that now. Once you click on that install option, you're going to see the different permissions that PhoneBurner is going to need in order to help you get more done in less time. Go ahead and click the Allow button. Now, of course, you have the option to install for everyone or for selected users and profiles. I'm going to go ahead and leave this set to install for everyone, and I'm going to install. And there you'll see the app has been installed. Once you've installed the app, if you go back to your main Outreach account, go ahead and refresh. Once you refresh, you're going to see the PhoneBurner icon on the left-hand side in the navigation menu. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to get the PhoneBurner app installed for your organization in Outreach. Thanks for taking a moment to watch this video, and happy dialing.